Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printing with a review of the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra. This printer has been making waves, promising top-notch quality and speed at an affordable price. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra is the latest offering in Elegoo's lineup, boasting significant improvements over its predecessors. It features a 10-inch screen with an impressive 12K resolution, which really shines when printing intricate details on miniatures and textured models. What sets the Saturn 3 Ultra apart is its speed. With a reported print speed of up to 150 mm per hour, it's one of the fastest resin printers in its class. In my tests, I found that it consistently delivers on this promise, significantly reducing print times compared to older models. The build volume is ample, measuring 218.88 by 122.88 by 260 mm, making it suitable for printing larger objects or multiple smaller ones simultaneously. The addition of a carbon filter helps manage any odors, which is crucial in indoor settings. Elegoo has improved the usability with thoughtful design tweaks. For instance, they've introduced a UV lift-off lid, although it can be a bit cumbersome due to its size. However, the 4-point bed adjustment system and relocated ports make operation smoother and more convenient. One area that could see improvement is in monitoring capabilities. While the Saturn 3 Ultra supports USB and Wi-Fi for file transfer, real-time monitoring is limited. It would be great to see Elegoo expand on this with future updates to provide more insights during the printing process. Overall, the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra is a game-changer in the world of resin 3D printing. It combines speed, quality, and affordability in a way that few other printers can match. Whether you're a hobbyist creating miniatures or a professional prototyping parts, this printer delivers on its promises. If you're in the market for a resin 3D printer that balances performance and price, the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra should be at the top of your list. It's reliable, fast, and produces stunning results. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.